Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're taking a look here at Chainlink, seeing what's going on here, and helping understand best practice, big picture. We're going to look at some back-end data here, of course, and help out with where we're going next with this coin. And if you could, please do me a quick favor, just hit the like button down below. Greatly appreciate that. Maybe get in the habit of doing that when you watch my videos, just so we can get these channels to the surface where some people, more people can benefit from them, right? Because the whole point is to try to help get you to get me to help educate you, help me help you, if that makes any sense. I think you get the gist. All right, so we're going to talk about liquidation here. It's kind of all over the place with Chainlink. There's not a lot of consistency. We're starting to see a little bit more concentration in the low 13s, but generally speaking, we are seeing a situation where the price action is kind of jumping within this range because we had a lot of liquidation back at the 14.25. So there's some concern there that the price could retest that level. We'll talk about why that's a possible reality here in just a minute. Before we do, I want to congratulate quickly some community members. Fantastic, K. Kroll. Great job. Super happy to hear that this Solana trade worked well for you. And I like that you are enjoying Bitunix as well. It's a really cool exchange. Happy to hear that's working for you. By the way, if you're not familiar, we have a link down below for an exclusive offer between now and November 30th with Bitunix. No VPN, no KYC. The main thing I want to show you here is some of our scalp trades here for Solana. 38%, Matic 12%. We're actually thinking about adding Chainlink to the trading pairs there. In fact, I'm going to send out a vote here soon asking what trading pairs you'd like to have in addition. Okay, and of course we had a nice little Bitcoin long there, 11x from 37.4 to 38.3. Okay, cool stuff there. Great job, everyone. Congrats on that. So let's take a quick look at the daily and work our way down, because again, I talked about this previously. Being below the 20-day SMA is disadvantageous, right? We don't like to see that. That's potential resistance level. We can see it holding strong right now here so far. Again, Bitcoin retraced. A lot of this has to do with Bitcoin pulling back from 38.4 all the way down to like 37.6. In fact, I think it might have just dipped a little bit lower. Okay, 37.7 now. So again, anytime you see these prices drop on certain coins, you're going to see that happen from Bitcoin, right? Or in other words, whenever you see Bitcoin drop, it's common for those to follow suit. All right, let's take a look here as well. We're treading water kind of closer to 50 on the RSI. Not my favorite place to be. Money flow index is coming down. So in essence, minus this trend line, which honestly we've kind of lost that already with the 20-day SMA. There's a great chance that we are truly bullish. Sorry, we're not bullish. We are truly bearish on the daily. Okay, so the daily time frame is exuding a lot more reasons not to take a long position. Okay, so just kind of note that, put that in the back of your mind. 4-hour time frame tells us that we are still honoring this ascending trend, but we are testing and holding barely above the 3 moving averages here, the 20, the 50, and the 100. The 200 is trailing behind, of course, where we can see the price action pulling back. RSI is below 50 now, but money flow index is high. When we see that happen, that's a bearish type of divergence, basically implying that there's a lot more selling pressure to be had, and we haven't seen it yet. We've also got a MACD divergence on the horizon. Hasn't fully diverged yet, but it certainly wants to. Okay. So we got all those factors involved. If we take a look at the 1-hour time frame, we can kind of wrap this up here for you with a understanding here that we're probably going to be below the cloud. Nope, correction, I misspoke. We are within the cloud. Conversion line is losing momentum, and the lagging span is within the price action. So this is a solid reason to consider closing your long position, because we could see a shift in momentum. It does not tell us we want to open a short position just yet, though, because again, we truly haven't broken below this level. So in order for us to maintain a good price, we want to be able to close somewhere in the upper 14s today, preferably $15 or higher, but we'll take 14.80 or up. Okay, and the reason why is because those are previous resistance levels. That's the current fib level here at about 14.75. So it's going to be a resistance for us if we close below that here today. We don't want that. But keep in mind, this is not unhealthy. It's natural for the price to run like this. We've created higher highs and to essentially continue to create higher lows. All right, so we have not essentially done anything in a terrible situation yet, so the hourly still looks okay, but it's not really a reason to take a trade. So the truth here is Chainlink, you should probably avoid this for now, with all the liquidation levels kind of being out all over the place and the price kind of not really being sure where it wants to go. I would rather not take a trade right now because there's no confirmation in either direction. Again, that's just me personally. What are your thoughts? Comment below, let us know what's going on with your Chainlink trades, and what's your long-term big picture? Love to hear it. Comment, let us know. Jumping over to our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. We got a lot of cool features here. I do want to talk about this here a little later, but keep in mind all exchanges here, we're seeing a massive outflow of coins. Okay. In other words, 25,000 Bitcoin's been withdrawn from exchanges in the last 2 weeks. It's actually a very good sign because as they withdraw, the price tends to go up. It's kind of a good correlation there. Anyways, I hope you all learned something here today. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. Take care.